this is not a dream. This is a glimpse of tomorrow. Welcome to the city that builds the future, today. A few decades ago, Dubai was a dream too big to believe. But belief built it. From dusty paths to superhighways. From tents to towers that touch the stars. Before the towering skyscrapers. Before the highways and the lights. Dubai was a whisper in the sands. In the heart of vast golden deserts, caravans of camels moved slowly under the burning sun, carrying stories, spices, and dreams across ancient trade routes. The road ahead often vanished beneath the drifting dunes. Yet life moved forward, patient, steady, unshaken. Along the banks of the Dubai Creek in the 1960s, sails danced with the wind as wooden dhows brought treasures from distant lands. In Dera, among coralstone buildings and shaded alleys, traders bargained, laughed, and built connections that would shape a city's future. This was the soul of old Dubai, rooted in resilience, born from the desert, and guided by the spirit of trade. A humble beginning, for a vision beyond imagination. One man dared to think ahead, not just 10 years, but generations. Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum didn't wait for the future, he built it. He saw a city not as it was, but as it could be. This is not just a city. It is vision turned into reality. And now, Dubai. A global city at the forefront of the AI revolution. Where artificial intelligence powers every moment, every move, every experience. Where AI powers real-time traffic flow. Above the skyline of tomorrow, Dubai takes flight, redefining urban mobility. With autonomous aerial pods, commutes become seamless, silent, and swift. No traffic. No delays. Just airspace, intelligently optimized. AI-driven navigation ensures safety, precision, and efficiency at every altitude. This is not science fiction, it's the next chapter in smart transportation. Welcome to a city where the sky is no longer the limit. Welcome to Dubai AI Vision. At Dubai AI Vision, we explore how artificial intelligence is shaping the future of one of the world's most ambitious cities. From intelligent transportation and AI-driven healthcare, to sustainable infrastructure and smart homes, we bring you inside the technologies transforming everyday life. Discover how Dubai is redefining real estate through data. Greening the desert with smart urban planning. Revolutionizing education through adaptive learning. And launching bold initiatives like the Dubai Mars mission. Explore the skies with flying hotels. And experience the efficiency of smart delivery systems that bring the future to your doorstep. This is where innovation meets ambition. This is the future, as seen through Dubai AI Vision. You're not just watching the future unfold. You're part of it. Every innovation, every dream, starts with someone who believes. And if you're watching this, maybe that someone is you. From startups to innovators, if AI powers your ideas, Dubai AI Vision is your stage. Whether you're building AI-driven smart mobility systems, advancing sustainability, redefining real estate, creating smart homes and connected living, managing an innovative hotel, running a futuristic cafe or restaurant, or innovating in any other sector, let the world see your vision. Dubai AI Vision is now open for collaborations with future-focused, AI-powered companies across all industries. Contact us today to showcase your innovations, your impact, and your role in building tomorrow. Let's shape the future, together. Dubai AI Vision. Where the future is not predicted, it is built. Subscribe now. See tomorrow, today.